going to know let's get started. This is Chemistry 1412, and our lab today is determination of acetic acid concentration in vinegar via titration. Let's get into it. What we do is put the 10 ml graduated cylinder on the electric balance and tare the amount. Now we can add approximately 5 mLs of vinegar.
I'm doing this using a pipette.
5 mLs of vinegar, can't really focus it, but 5 mLs of vinegar is approximately 49.8 grams. You're going to record that in your data chart that you've made on vinegar sample 1. Now I'm going to pour the 5 mLs of vinegar in the Erlenmeyer flask. Add approximately 2 drops of phenolphthalein into the solution. Not approximately, just 2. This is the phenolphthalein, 1%, and ethanol, 95%. And this comes in the ethanol package in the chemistry kit. That was a little misleading. Now pour the hydrogen peroxide into the small cup, and now we're going to bring it up in our syringe to 10 mLs. They don't want any bubbles, so thankfully I'm a nurse and I know how to get bubbles out of a syringe. There's our 10 ml of sodium hydroxide, hydrogen peroxide. Go ahead and place it in vinegar sample 1 in the initial NaOH volume and syringe. And you'll do that to the nearest 0.01 or nearest 0.1 ml. Now we're going to put 0.5 increments of the hydrogen peroxide solution into the vinegar, and we'll do this while we swirl it so that we can begin to see the phenolphthalein doing its indicating. It'll turn pink. So 0.5 and swirl it.
Well, the time's full. So 3 seconds. That's only like it's not a pinpoint.
Shake, Sonora, shake your body line. Shake, Sonora, shake it all the time. Work, Sonora, work your body line. Work, Sonora, work it all the time. My girl's name is Sonora. Tell your friends I adore her. When she dances so pretty.
Seems like we have a bad batch. It didn't turn pink. So I will go back and make sure that I didn't do something wrong. Right, so this round we're going to add the hydrogen peroxide in 0.5 increments. And at this point, I've talked to the professor and he said just keep adding hydrogen peroxide until we get that color we want. Shake your body in time. Shake it, and jump on the line. Shake it, forget all your stress. Shake it, hey, Sonora. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Shake,
Shake your body like shake, 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 Sonora. Shake it all the time. Work, 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 Sonora. Work your body like work, 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 Sonora. Work it all the time. You can talk about reggae, Latin rock, funky, and dancehall. Sonora dances no tighter. Jump in the saddle, hold on to the bridle.
That is 20 mLs of hydrogen peroxide in there. I really didn't think I'd have to use this much. Got 27 right here.
Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Muévete Sonora y menea tu cadera que eso a mí me deja loco.
Okay, so I will speak to my professor and put this in the
So I
laboratory.
did a second and third trial with a phenolphthalein solution in vinegar. None of it turned that pink color that we're looking for. I added water to the actual vinegar. I don't know if it's the actual phenolphthalein solution or if there's a malfunction with one of the products, the NaOH or the vinegar. However, I'm going to go ahead and input data that would be close to perfect, and then I'll do the calculations and add that to my report. This is just part of science and a part of laboratory and experiments, so I'll chalk it up as a learning experience. Thank you.